Hello, welcome to the video for this 2015 Forest River Forester model 271DS. We're going to go and walk around it, go inside, take you through it. Originally this was sold for $90,000 just 2 years ago. This has just turned 7,000 miles. It's like new. There are no flaws with it right now. There are no D-limb, as you can see. This is pretty much a brand new coach. Right here you can see we have our generator. This is the Awning 4,000 watt generator. We have more storage under here. As you can see, it's very clean. This motorhome has barely been used. It has Michelin tires, 7,000 miles. These tires are in excellent shape. Here's your wet bay. As you can see, very clean. LED lighting. And back here we have full pass-through storage. That's some more lighting here, along with an extra ladder. We'll walk through the back of the coach. As you can see here, we have a spare tire. You don't find that very often in motorhomes, but here it is. And you have here are all your connections for if you decide to tow something with this coach. Here's some more storage. As you can see, this has a fully electric awning. It's in perfect shape. It has accent LEDs under there to give you some lighting. More storage under here. That's some foam to put on the edges of the slide outs. Here's your propane tank here. All right, we'll go ahead and take a step inside. This has a full dinette table right here, and this turns into a bed. This couch also turns into a bed. And as you can see up here, up front where the TV is, these can be used as beds or storage compartments. And those are extra cushions and pillows for the couch. We're going to step in the front here. This is on the Ford E400 chassis, and it has the updated Ford Triton V10. It's one of my personal favorite engines. The V10 is a very special motor. This has a full touchscreen interface along with Bluetooth audio and AUX and USB inputs along with an SD card input. This has full Corian countertops, and this can extend here, give you a little more space. Yep. Here is the spec sheet, the original spec sheet, as you can see. 90,655. This is a 3-burner gas stove with a glass covering. This along with a traditional style oven. And of course, a microwave. Stainless steel sink, along with a trash disposal back here. And all of these covers are also made of Corian too. It's a refrigerator. Now these refrigerators are automatic, so you can run them off gas or electric power, but you can put it in automatic mode. Up here is your control panel. This is a slide out button for the front slide, along with various other controls, along with the generator start and stop button. Lots of kitchen space. Go and step into the back here. Separate shower area and toilet. Now in the bedroom area, you see we can, and in the bedroom area here, you can make this private. And here is the thermostat for your air conditioned systems and your other slide out button. There's also a TV here. Alright, this will finish off our video. If you're interested, please text or call 864-376-5600. Again, that is 864-376-5600. Thank you.